In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable memory in ChatGPT. If you've noticed ChatGPT remembering things like your preferences or past project details, that's because the memory feature can store and reuse helpful context. If you'd rather keep each conversation fresh and prevent saved context from being referenced, turning this off is quick and easy. Start on the main ChatGPT screen. Look to the bottom left corner of the interface. You'll see your profile area. This might show your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar. Click that profile area to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This opens a panel where you can manage how ChatGPT behaves for your account. Inside Settings, choose Personalization. This section houses options that shape how ChatGPT adapts to you. Scroll down until you find the memory area. Here, you'll see the control that determines whether ChatGPT can reference what it has saved about you in future conversations. Find the toggle labeled Reference Saved Memories. Click the toggle to switch it off. When the toggle moves to the off position, you've successfully disabled memory referencing. That's all you need to do. From this point on, ChatGPT won't reference previously saved memories when responding to you. A few helpful notes as you make this change. Disabling memory referencing stops ChatGPT from using saved memories to personalize answers. Depending on updates, the wording of the toggle might vary slightly, but it will clearly mention memory and referencing. This setting applies to your account, so it should carry over if you access ChatGPT from another device using the same login. If you don't immediately see the effect, give the page a quick refresh and try a new conversation. Keep in mind, turning off memory referencing focuses on how ChatGPT uses stored context going forward. Managing or clearing any previously saved memory is a separate action found in the same general area, but the simple toggle you just used is all that's required to stop ChatGPT from referencing those saved details. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same place, bottom left profile, Settings, Personalization, Memory, and flip the Reference Saved Memories toggle back on. For many people, leaving memory off can make sessions feel more private and consistent, especially when switching between different topics. And that's it. You've disabled memory referencing in ChatGPT quickly and confidently, keeping your future chats clean and focused on the conversation at hand.